Hello YouTubers, it's Leo's Lifestyle and we have another reveal unboxing of the LV ARCHLIGHTS. Just say hello to my babies, but these are not it. Anyway, so yeah, this is the unboxing. I'm so excited. This is like an early anniversary gift. Oh, it's legit. And this gives you the information, exchanges and returns. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. And of course, the receipt. Thank you. All right, let's get to the good part. Now, I do have large feet. However, they are beautiful. Check it out. You got your bag for each shoe. I just love my bags. And then you have your little booklet. It gives you more information. You know, they just stay in the box. Guess this is the little card. Because my husband got them offline, so. And, oh, a message from my husband to my beautiful wife. Happy anniversary, love, Steve. Oh, so sweet. All right. So, yeah, these are beautiful. So, you know, that's another thing. I seen a lady where it had the price on the box, and I never had that, but these are the LV ARCHLIGHTS. Aren't they gorgeous? You can wear them with anything. More casual. But I'm gonna wear everything short so they can stand out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want to continue to watch me unbox Louis Vuitton, you can always follow us on Leo's Lifestyle, because this is our lifestyle. I'm a Leo, my husband's a Leo, so yeah, this is how we living. I almost forgot, you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Or you can always share, like, or subscribe. Either way, follow us.